how to automatically save TikToks to camera roll. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll over here. Select the video you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Then tap on Next again. You can also add a caption and manage other settings here before posting. Now, go to More Options. Here, scroll down and make sure the Save to Device option is enabled. Following these steps, you can easily automatically save TikToks to camera roll.